been issued by the United States government. A national emergency message has been issued by the United States government. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. This is an update to our previous broadcast from the 12th of May 2026. Millions of people are still being pulled by large white tentacles into the sky. We advise everyone to lock their doors, cover your windows, do not let anyone unfamiliar inside your home, and never look outside as you might spot the purple light. If any of your family members saw it, you may try to convince them to not go, but most likely they will still run away to the light. Once someone sees the purple light, there is no going back. Regardless of what you say to them, they will still listen to the light. We have managed to detain an individual who looked at the light and analyzed the changes mentioned in the last emergency broadcast. We have found something unnerving. 6 minutes after being exposed to the purple light, the individual grew very visible purple veins. Or that's what we originally thought. After more careful research, we discovered that these were parasites living inside of the individual. These parasites were mainly targeting the individual's brain. Please stay tuned. This is all for now. Remember to stay inside and do not look at the purple light.